In this video, I'm going to show you how to accept donations on Square. Now, there's actually a few ways to do this. I'm going to show you two of the easiest ones. The first one is going to be to set up a donation item on Square website over here. So what you want to do is basically go to Items and Services on the left. You want to click on Items and then Item Library. Inside your item library here, you will basically have to create a new item. So it's super simple. You want to click on the top right whenever your library loads. And then from there, you want to click on create item. So over here, click on that. And then from here, you'll see, of course, there's going to be like different item types. You want to click on this, the drop down menu, and you want to go and select a donation, which is going to allow site visitor to select from charitable donation amounts. I'm going to click on over here. Then you have to basically give it a name. So I'm going to just name this one, for example, donation. Of course, you can name it more specifically and then put in a description as well. You can also drop images, files, etc. And then here you can add on donation amounts. So I'm going to leave it as it is default. I'm going to have 10, 20, 50, and $100. But of course, you could do add donation amount and add a custom one as well, just like this, okay? Of course, you can allow them to basically enter the amount of their choice as well if you wanna, or not. You can just switch this toggle over here and you're good to go. Then if you want to add modifiers or custom attributes, you can do that too. And then you can also manage the checkout over here. And whenever you're done, click on Save top right, and you've successfully basically added a donation item on Square. Now, of course, you can make this available for your website, and you can then put it as one of the items on your website on Square, okay? So if you want to know how to put items as a kind of course, listed on your website, you can watch my separate video. I do have a full playlist linked at the end of this video where you can basically see all the things I've covered about Square. So that's the first way to do this, okay? You can, of course, set this up, and you have a donation possibility over here. Then the second one is going to be to create a shareable donation link. So we can go to the left over here, and this time you want to go to invoices and payments, and then here you can see payment links. Click on it and click on payment links again. This is going to open up your payment link, and what you want to do is click on create link here in the top right. And then whenever you do this, you have a bunch of different things, and the fourth one is accept a donation. So we can just click on that over here, and as you can see, it's going to be like a donation. Press continue top right. And then here you can give it a title. I'm going to type in donation for, and of course you could go and type in more specifically. The frequency can be one time, weekly, or whatever you want to do. And then description here is going to go down here. So this is a donation for, and you can go ahead and specify what that's for. If you want to add an image, you can do that too. And you can set a donation goal as well. So for example, I'm going to do a goal of $1,000, and the deadline here is going to be, let's do the end of June. Okay, as you can see, like this, and it's going to look like that, which is quite nice. Then you can add custom fields on here if you wanna. I don't really need these right now. And of course, you can have a confirmation, so you can make them redirect to a website after checkout. Now, when you customize all this, you can view it on computer and on phone. And if it looks good, you can just click on the save button top right, and there we go. You'll get your link for the donation. Now, if I basically preview this, it's going to look like that. As you can see, it's basically a donation link which you can use directly from Square. So that's how to accept donations on Square. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.